all protocol observed. Special recognition goes to organizer of today's event, NUJ chairman, and all NUJ members of the state chapter. I also recognize the presence of Abesi Olukoyi who has just left because of his long journey back home. I also recognize all awardees, distinguished politicians, the representative of our able Governor Adebola Nuruddin Jackson. I also recognize the representative of Professor Akin Abayomi, Commissioner for Health, Lagos State. I also recognize my community leader, all people from my kingdom who come all the way from Ikoyi to receive this award with me. Your unwavering support has kept me going, and I promise to continue to serve you to my best of ability. NUJ, I promise to continue to support this association. You are the voice of the voiceless. You are the power of the powerless. We all know that journalism is not just something where they sit at home and just write nonsense. You guys did a lot for the masses. You do a lot for the commoners. You are not just writing whatever that comes to your mind, but for the benefit of all of us here. I thank you all for making our environment livable and safer for all. In the West or other countries, I know the risk that journalists are taking just to write news. If I can recall, places like Israel, Palestine, and all that, I remember during the war, they will be covering their head, knowing fully that a bomb is coming, and they will still cover the news. What we hear is that this house is about to go down. I will be offline for 5 or 10 minutes. The next thing you hear is boom, the house is blown. Many journalists lost their life through that part. May Allah in His infinite mercy continue to strengthen you, strengthen your association. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate this award. Thank you.